welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this velocity video edit on CapCut PC, but like this colorful one. So add in your video, right click, extract audio, select your audio, select auto beats and select beats 2, select your video, go to speed and change it to 0.5x speed, add in smooth slow-mo and select optical flow. It does take longer to process since I selected optical flow rather than frame blending, but trust me, the results will be smoother. And once you're done with that, okay, it does take quite a long time, hold on. Once you're done, you're just going to right click your video, select create compound clip, go and do this. Okay, so go to the third beat, split it, select your video, go to speed, curve, add in flash in, and you're going to keep doing that till there's like no clips left to edit. So go on a third beat, select the video, select flash in, curve. Again, oops, go to the third one, 1, 2, 3. Split it and add in a flash in curve, 1, 2, 3. It is a very tedious process, but this is the only way you can do velocity edits on PC. Like, you can do it automatically on the mobile app, but this is the only way to do it on like PC. I hope they do bring like the styles out on the PC version as well, but for now this is what we have. Wow, there's like a lot of clips to do. I think I'm just gonna end it right hold on. Actually, I'm almost there, so I'm trying to like go as fast as I can, trust me, but it's a little bit hard to do. And again, for this one, it doesn't really take all the video in for some reasons. This is the only method I know, so I'm not sure why, but just like crop it out, honestly. Okay, I think I'm like done. So, go to the effects tab, go to nightclub, and just add in the colorful like effect on top, and you can also adjust the speed of it. If you want it faster, if you want it slower, you can do that. Or if you want just like some colors like on the video transition, just grab like any colors that you want, like this one for instance, and then go to animation and add in like a fade out animation, which is right here, and like just add it to all of your clips, like in the middle of your clips, I guess. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!